We are getting fresh images, satellite images of the Chinese troops retreating to the extent of 2 kilometers. And this is big breaking news that's coming in. We'll try and show you those images, which are going to be put up momentarily on our screens. And you can see that on the left hand side, you will see area that has been intruded upon by the Chinese, the PLA, and on the right hand side, it's all crystal clear. 6th of July is the image pertaining to your right, and on the left hand side is from June 28, 2020. 2 kilometers is what we are getting to know. The Chinese have retreated. Professor Nalapat, if I can get your reaction on this breaking news coming in. I saw you shake your head. I don't know whether that was in disbelief or you were just happy to hear this.
Well, Vineet, I marvel at the Indian media because I think, frankly, you must understand real life and Bollywood real life are totally different. I mean, 2 kilometers in one small sector. Oh, I mean, give me a break, Vineet. As I told you, until they go back to the line of control throughout the frontier that they were occupying at the end of April 2020, there is no disengagement. And I'm sorry to say, Vineet, and the Indian media falling for this kind of thing, falling for this kind of disinformation and misinformation is not doing a great job of itself. The reality is there has to be a full withdrawal, and the Chinese government must know that the people of India are steadfast. They must know that the leadership is steadfast. And I'm therefore waiting for the Prime Minister to speak and to insist that every single inch of territory will be reclaimed. Because I can tell you, the Chinese need that kind of message before they really go in for real disengagement. Let's not make believe a limited amount of moving here and there. 2 kilometers when you come in 10 kilometers is not a disengagement, frankly. It's a tactical withdrawal to a different line, and they can always come back. And frankly, that particular area in this weather, they have to withdraw. Nature, Mother Nature, will take care of them if the Indian soldier does not. And they don't want to face Mother Nature after having faced the wrath of the Indian soldier.
Absolutely. And Commander Giri, the version was to the tune of double-digit kilometers, is what we know. And this retreat, this rollback is only for a couple of kilometers. This is perhaps an epitome, an exemplary behavior of the Chinese deception.
Okay, I'll just keep it very short. Still don't trust them.
No, we're not.
Absolutely simple.
That's exactly what we're saying.
Absolutely. Still don't trust him. He can go back. He can go back into his territory. He can pull back his troops and put in some policemen out there and the LSE. Still don't trust him.
Okay, Sumit, finger go up. All right.
Vineet, I would only want to, I was completing my thought, that is what Chinese have been doing. They have been copying Goebbels and doing that. I see two things happening from here, Vineet. Today, if you look at the economical situation of China with the debt and the mutinies happening inside the China, what I see, I think, Vineet, China has hit what the USSR hit, the Perestroika movement. Now, only 2-3 outcomes are happening. Either they break up into 3-4 parts, either they become democratic, or they become the new North Korea of the world. These are the 3 possible outcomes which China is heading if they don't mend their ways, which they are not going to do. My only fear is, sir, they might go back, what Commander Saab rightly said, but they will always come back. They will always come back. Even if they go back to Beijing, keep looking for them. They will always come back, and this time they will come much bigger, much stronger. They have done a 60, they've done in 62. They tried to do this in 67, but we gave them a bloody nose. They tried the same tactic in Galwan. We gave them a bloody nose. But China as an adversary is the new fact of life. And that adversary is going to come after you any point of time. These semantics, these theatrics do not matter because they have this absurd thought process.
Okay, all right. Ambassador Vora, we don't have much time, just a minute left to the show. So if the Chinese are behaving like Martin Bormann and like Joseph Goebbels and the Gestapo and Himmler, they perhaps will also meet a similar fate then.
There's no doubt about that. I think that is the consensus here that the implosion has begun. It's the beginning of the end. And whether or not they stay on what they think is the line of aggressive cheating, the LAC, for us it's the line of actual control. They have to just pull back. They have to change their behavior, sir. And exactly what Mr. Peer has said, either they implode They break up, they change their behavior, or they become the new hermit, terrible kingdom of the world. One of those options you are likely to see. I wouldn't even say in 5 years, in a few months.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.